Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online business with Mailchimp Pro, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Mailchimp website. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on Create Campaign to start a new marketing campaign. Choose the type of campaign that fits your goals, such as email or social media. Give your campaign a descriptive name to easily identify it later. Next, select your audience for the campaign. If necessary, create a new audience by clicking on Audience in the main menu. Fill in the required details for your new audience. Once you have your audience ready, go back to your campaign. Now, design your email by choosing a template that suits your brand. Customize the template by adding your logo, images, and content. Make sure your message is clear and compelling to engage your audience. After designing, preview your email to ensure everything looks perfect. Test your email by sending a sample to yourself or a colleague. Next, set up automation to streamline your email marketing efforts. Go to the Automations tab and click on Create Automation. Choose an automation type that aligns with your marketing objectives. Once selected, follow the prompts to set up triggers and timing. Monitor engagement metrics for each campaign for insights. Analyze open rates, click rates, and conversions to gauge effectiveness. Use these insights to refine your email content and strategy. Explore Mailchimp's integrations with other tools to enhance functionality. Consider connecting your e-commerce platform to automate product updates. Finally, consistently review and optimize your strategy based on performance data. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your online business with Mailchimp Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.